Yes, call the list.
Item number 1 to 3.
But these are 3 appeals against the common judgment order, my lord.
Yes.
And there was a delay of 4 days in filing the appeals. So notices were issued on the last date. I believe some they are appearing, my lord.
I'm entering appearance, my lord, for one of the respondents. Respondent number 4, my lord, in item 1.
My lord, I am appearing for number 5.
We have copy.
You are for 5.
Number 5, ma'am.
And
State 1 to 3, Your Lord.
yes,
Oh, my lord, I'm for 6, my lord, sorry. Number 6.
who's for 5?
Learned seniors for 5.
Number 5, ma'am. On number 5.
Only 4 is unrepresented, my lord.
But served.
Yes, sir, my lord.
4 days delay.
4 days delay.
Yes, we are controlling. There is a delay of 4 days in filing each of the appeals. We have perused the application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. Full stop. The delay is marginal. Full stop. Sufficient cause is shown. We condone the delay. Each of the applications, WPC 478, 480, 37. (37) is of 2025, other 2 of 2024 is allowed. The registry is directed to register the appeals. Are you asking for any interim order?
My lord, on the last occasion, the lordship
Has already given them protection, my lord.
but that interim order may kindly continue, my lord, till the disposal of the appeal.
What is the order passed?
But the order passed, we were the successful tenderer, my lord. The work was awarded to us. The learned single just set aside that, my lord, and directed for fresh tender, my lord.
You have started work.
We have, in fact, this was a contract for supply of
Roofing sheets.
roofing sheets, my lord, aluminum roofing sheets. So, in fact, we placed the order. We filed an affidavit also that we placed order to the suppliers, my lord, and we have invested a substantial amount of money in that.
What is the contract? What is the subject matter of the contract? Supply of
Roofing sheet, my lord.
Aluminum
Roofing sheet for below poverty line families, my lord, for making their houses, my lord. The roofing sheets are supplied by the state government, my lord.
When was the tender floated?
10/9/24, 10th of September 24.
And accepted in your favor?
Well, the work order was issued to us 4th December 24, my lord.
And set aside by the learned single judge?
Yes.
8/5/24, 25, my lord, in the month of May.
No, when? Date of the order?
My lord, dated
8th of May, my lord. 8th May 25.
You see here, public interest and especially of the very poor is involved. Roof, shelter and all that.
my lord, we
Now
understand.
to adjudicate upon inter se rights of contractors,
Right.
if this whole thing is held up, it is not very good,
My lord, we
beneficial.
understand, but my lord, there's certain illegalities which has been found by the learned single judge, my lord, that there's certain clauses of the, my lord, the tender.
No, in such a case, if the court ultimately finds that you should have been awarded the tender, I think you should be satisfied with damages. That is the profit you have failed to earn.
My lord,
Instead of holding up this whole project. Because especially when public interest is involved, of the poor. We will take up this question of extension of the interim order, the stay of the order,
my lord,
and consider it.
my lord.
Because just routinely extending it till disposal of the appeal
My lord.
would not be very proper.
My lord, may fix a date, will.
Yes. List the appeal for admission and for consideration of stay of the impugned judgment and order or any other interim order. On 8th July,
My lord.
My lord,
All right.
the continuing interim order dated 13 June 2025 is extended till further orders.
My lord.
my lord, there were three writ petitions. So, my lord, item 2 and 3 are connected. My lord. There were three petitions.
In each of the three, this order is passed.
Yes, common order. My lord.
Yes.
Item number 4 and 5.
In this matter, I'm appearing for the appellants. On the last occasion, your lordship in the order dated 9th of May had observed that if a settlement could be worked out, then that is also recorded. Pursuant to your lordship, the order, we have, the discussion has already taken place. We have submitted our proposal. It's pending for the state's consideration as of now.
Which matter?
My lord, item 4 and 5. It's the Suraksha Salvia matter in which the Section 9 petition was dismissed by the Honorable District Judge on the ground that the appellant is not a party to the MOU.
Yes.
On that ground. So Mr. Jishu Shah was arguing it, and on the last occasion, your lordship had just said that if a settlement could be worked out, we have sat and we have submitted our proposal to the state, to the Ministry of, to the Department of Health.
We have received it.
A discussion has already taken place, and in fact, a discussion is today scheduled once again at 2 p.m. today.
We've had the first settlement meeting on the 5th, 6th, 2025. We received documents on the 10th June 25 with regards to the proposal submission for amicable settlement and reimbursement of the project, my lord. It's a little voluminous. There are certain receipts that we need to vet. There are certain documents that we are going through. We need a little bit more time. Today we're meeting again at 2.
So lordship, your lordship may kindly extend the interim order till the next date and adjourn the matter for
At least a
4
month.
weeks. For a month, then we are.
4 weeks.
on the joint prayer of learned appearing counsel, the appeal and the connected applications are adjourned till 30th July.
My lord.
Full stop. It was submitted that the settlement process was satisfactorily progressing. And hence this prayer for time. That's all.
Lordship may extend the interim orders till the next day. Your Lordship has passed 2 interim orders in the meantime.
The subsisting interim orders will continue till disposal of these applications or until further order, whichever is earlier.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
Number 6.
Is the matter concerning the judicial magistrates of district council. My lords have granted me a day's time, my lords, on Thursday to obtain instructions. I'm sorry, my lords, we've not been able to obtain instructions.
When should we keep it?
Any date convenient, my lords.
But otherwise, but I've given in my humble some very fair proposal, my lord, that meets their purpose also, my lord, and it saves the judicial officers, my lord.
We have 2 vacancies.
I have 2 vacancies. My lord. One will arrive is
Anticipated.
in the month of August, my lord. So we can start the process for that now also.
All right, on the prayer of Mr. K. Paul Learned, Senior Advocate. To take instructions in this matter. No, on the prayer of Mr. K. Paul Learned, Senior Advocate, for an extension of time to take instructions in this matter. We adjourn this appeal till July
9 July.
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
Yes.
My lords, would it be inconvenient, my lords, if my lords have it on the 8th? My lords, 9th and 10th, I might have some
All
difficulty.
right, 8th.
8th.
8th, Mr. Mishra.
8.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes, perfectly. Mr. Paul wants time to take instructions.
My lord.
Highly obliged.
Only thing, I may be permitted, my lord, to appear online
Yes, yes.
on the next.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
Number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
We are challenging in the writ petition of the single judge judgment and order on 23rd August 2024, my lord. So I will go to this impugned judgment and order, my lord. Shall I read out, my lord, from para 3, my lord? It is asserted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the entire proceeding were manipulated, as the writ petitioner was never heard or given any notice in the entire process. He has also drawn the attention of this court to the various complaint, the inquiry, as also the order passed by the respondent district council. The inquiry he submit was not proper inquiry, and the subsequent action of the respondent on the basis of the unsubstantiated complaint was arbitrary and illegal. He therefore submit that the due process has not been followed, and the bifurcation of the village being done purely on external consideration, as also the appointed of the respondent number 5, the same required to be interfered with by this court. Para 4, my lord. Mr. S. the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 4, in reply, has preferred to the affidavit, has drawn the attention of this court to the proceeding before the deputy chief executive member. It is submitted that it is not a fact that the petitioner was not present, inasmuch as from the record itself, from the hajira, and from the order, it is clear revealed that the petitioner had actively taken part, and that only on being unsuccessful has come before this court with the ground as stated. He further submit that as per due process, an inquiry had been conducted, and for the administrative reason as recorded, the respondent authorities had taken the decision to bifurcate the village and to appoint new Gombura for the same. He therefore submit that no interference is called for from this court. Number 5. S.K. Hassan, learned counsel for the respondent number 5, support the submit made by the SD and submit that it is not a fact that the petitioner did not take part in the proceeding. Number 6, my lord. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties, it is firstly seen that on the allegation that the petitioner was not heard, the material as produced reveal otherwise. The hajira, though not on affidavit, clearly shows the signature of the petitioner, which is not denied by the council. Further, it is noted that the copy of inquiry has been annexed, though the same has not been exhaustive. However, the portrays the exact situation prevailed in the village on that day. The order dated 5/3/24, whereby a decision was made for creation of a new Gambura of the village Goladigli Part 2, has also been examined, and from bare perusal thereof, it is seen that the writ petitioner had taken part in the proceeding and had also filed a written statement objecting to the said creation of the new Gambura area. This court is consideration of the entire matter is not sitting in appeal over the decision of the court. Decision of the district council, which has been made for administrative reason, but it is only to examine whether the right of the petitioner had been violated in any manner, whether he was not heard or allowed adequate opportunity as alleged. From the material as placed and from the submission of the council, it appeared that the petitioner had actively taken part in the proceeding and has come before this court being aggrieved with the said decision. It is to be noted that it is not a case where the petitioner has been removed from the office of Gambura, as it continues to be the Gambura of Borshibanda, but his only aggrievances lies with the bifurcation of the village, my lord. Here is what happened, my lord. Learned Single Das has not taken into consideration various things, my lord. There is no inquiry. I have not taken part. It is the only statement given by the...
It is the power of the district council
Yes.
to demarcate areas, villages, to increase their area, decrease their area.
No.
It is with the council.
There is no such thing, my lord. There is no provision created or any notification or office memorandum issued by the district council for bifurcating the existing Gambura village, my lord.
Suppose there is a proposal.
That should be followed the procedure, my lord. Some criteria must be followed, my lord.
No. If there is a proposal that you alter the area of Meghalaya by taking some land from Assam and some from, Bangladesh.
There is no such.
A citizen of India or a citizen of Bangladesh will have a say in the matter.
There is no such thing, my lord, from the
You
district
show us.
council. So I am coming to the how to appoint a Gambura, my lord. It is in the executive instruction or some land and regulation 162A, my lord. When I place the fact, matter will be clear, my lord.
No, this is a policy decision of the council or government.
There must be some criteria, my lord.
My lord, if I can humbly submit, I am representative of district council. There is two action, my lord. One is creation of the village, and the other is, my lord, the appointment of the Gambura, of the fresh village, my lord. My learned senior is aggrieved by the demarcation of the village, my lord, where a bifurcation took place, my lord.
Yes.
Now,
alteration in the area.
Yes, my lord. So this is the decision-making policy, as my lord it has fallen for my lord. And my lord, how he is aggrieved, my lord, with that, he is not narrating anything in the petition. Second thing, my lord, he has said, my lord, that he has not appeared before the inquiry committee or inquiry, my lord. But he himself, he has filed in Hazira, my lord. It is a matter of record.
No, it will come.
And it is a finding of the learned single judge. He is not saying that the
no,
finding.
I am clarified all this point, my lord.
He is the headman.
He is the headman of the remaining village, my lord. Which one portion of the village.
He was the headman of the original village.
Yes, my lord.
Now he is the headman of the truncated village.
Yes, my lord.
No,
It is not a case, my lord, that he has been totally removed from the village as an headman, my lord.
I come to that point, my lord. So I am coming to the Rule 162A, my lord. Appointment and dismissal of the Gamburas, my lord. It is photostat copy I have given, my lord. (162A), my lord. 4 paragraph. Shall I read, my lord? The fact of Gambura's suspension shall be communicated to the Rayat of the village concerned through the Gaon Panchayat or in any convenient manner shall be reported to the Deputy Commissioner without delay. In case of outlying subdivision by the SDOs and in case of Sodor subdivision by the SDOs as Sodor.
This is over. This part is over.
No, I am coming to
by non-renewal of your
appointment, my lord.
Appointment.
Yes.
Appointment
of your competitor.
Yes, I am coming.
You come to the bifurcation part.
No, I will come, my lord. I will come. If the order is passed by such officer in the matter of appointment of a Gambura, the following factors shall be taken into consideration. The claim of the family of the Gambura, the suitability of the person for the post, Gambura shall be entitled to the protection provided under Article 311 of the Constitution of India, my lord. That is most important. And district council has got no unbridled power, my lord, but they have to act or pass criteria of the case and fact of the case, my lord. Now I am coming to the brief fact of the case, my lord. So matter will be more clear, my lord.
You have not come to the material issue.
No, my lord.
This is over.
I have not suppressed any a single material, my lord.
Material issue is bifurcation of the district. Where is
No,
the
no,
power?
I am coming to that point, my lord.
You come to it immediately.
I am coming to that point. In the writ petition, my lord, page number 49, my appointment, my lord. Page number 49, my. Shall I read out, my lord? In pursuance of this office notification such and such dated 15 March 2016, the Executive Committee of Garhwal Autonomous District Council Tura is pleased to appoint Sri Abdul Manaf San of Mohiruddin Sheikh of Borshibanda Village PO, Bhorarbhita District, West Garhwal PS Fulbari to the post of Gambura of Borshibanda and Goladegli Part 2, my lord. For 2 villages they have appointed me. Then I come to page number 63, my lord. How the things is happen, my lord, which is not as per procedure. Page number 63, my lord. How the things happen, my lord. Shall I read out, my lord? Page number 63. Proceeding for the general meeting of the village Goladegli Part 2 for the selection of Gambura headman held on today on 10th August 2023 at 11 a.m. under the chairmanship of Ikramul Qazi, son of Abdul Qadir Qazi, in the premises of Mubarak Ali. In the meeting, it has been discussed thoroughly among the members and the villagers present in the meeting. A resident of Goladegli Part 2 village, Mr. Mahabul Sheikh, son of Abdul Jalil Sheikh, has been selected by raising hand of the majority member present there to make him as the Gambura of the aforesaid village, namely Goladegli Part 2 village. The meeting has requested Mahabul Sheikh to submit the resolution to the concerned Garhwal District Council Tura for its early approval and necessary
Where
action.
is the order for decision to alter the district?
No, I am coming to that. That is in page number 89, my lord. Shall I read out, my lord? Case record put up today. The case has come to this authority as one Sri Mahabul Sheikh has filed an application for appointment of Gambura of village Goladegli Part 2 by the bifurcating from the present Gorshibanda village. Here, my lord, no one can make an page 89, my lord.
Page 89, my lord.
89, my lord.
Order dated 5/3/2024, my lord.
Here, my lord, no person from any village make an application, give me the Gambura. That on the application of the private respondent number 5, they are taking into consideration, my lord, which is totally illegal. It is not sustainable in law. There is no such law, my lord, in the Garhwal district. Next para, my lord. The petitioner is the candidate to appoint for the post of appointment of Gambura of Goladegli village bifurcating the present Gambura of Boshibanda village. The petitioner stated that Goladigli Part 2 is one of the biggest and having huge number of population which is administered by Boshibanda Gambura, and as such it is very difficult to manage the day-to-day affairs of the village, and also people of Goladigli Part 2 is facing serious difficulty and hardship to obtain any certificate or verification from the present Gambura of Boshibanda village, my lord. Here, my lord, they are only stating that it is a very big place. This contiguous village is Vularbita village, my lord. That is their population and family member triple than that two village, my lord. Just make it like this. Next para, my lord. Therefore, the petitioner prayed that in the interest of the people of Goladigli Part 2, the new Gambura area may be created from the village of Boshibanda and appoint a new Gambura bifurcating the village of Boshibanda, which will consist of 4 more villages, which are Baliadoba, Bindabari, Shahadutpara, and Nodapati. So only single person is praying for this office to bifurcate this one, which is not at all permissible as per the district council rule, my lord. There are some procedures should be maintained. Next, my lord. Opposite party Abdul Monnab has also filed a written statement objecting the creation of Gamburia area of Goladigli Part 2 by bifurcation present Gambura Boshibanda. He stated that the Boshibanda village is not a revenue village, so it is impossible to bifurcate the Gamburaship of two villages, namely Boshibanda and Goladigli Part 2. He also claimed that the authority had appointed another Gambura of Bharvita, Boshibanda and Goladigli Part 2 by the name Sayat Hossain, GD number such and such, who is the claim that both of them are friend and looking and solving all the problem collectively for the above said 3 villages. Here is also given the wrong statement, my lord. I have not filed any written statement, my lord, except one representation, my lord, except one representation in page number 84, my lord. That one they have just reflected in this order, my lord. May I please, Your Lordship, I come to page number 84, my lord. How given the false statement by the district council authority. Yeah, to the Secretary, Revenue Garu Hill Autonomous District Council Tura, West Garu Hills, dated Boshibanda 3rd October, Eto, unjustified claim of bifurcation of Gamburaship of Boshibanda or Goladigli Part 2 thereof. In continuation to the above subject, I have the honor to converse the following few lines for favor of your kind consideration and sympathetic order. That, sir, I, Sri Abdul Monnab Gambura Boshibanda and Goladigli Part 2 village, since 23rd March 2016, White Office Order number such and such, dated 23rd March 2016. Dear sir, Goladigli Part 2 village is an adjacent village of the Boshibanda, and moreover, Goladigli Part 2 village having very less number of household which can be well maintained by one Gamburaship, my lord. Next, that sir, from the dependable source, I able to know that some of self-interested person are demanding unjustified bifurcation of Gamburaship for the Goladigli Part 2 village, which is totally unfounded because the Goladigli Part 2 and Boshibanda village is the same village, only by name people are 10 apart. Next, that sir, another fact is that Sri Sayat Hossain is also the Gambura village and Goladili Part 2, fight office number such and such. Since a long time we both are friendly and looking solving all problem of 3 villages, Bolar Vita, Botshibandar, Goladili Part 2. Besides, we both Gambura are not giving any no objection certificate for the bifurcation proposal of the Goladili Part 2 Gambura ship by lot. Here, my lord, same thing they have reflected in the order of 5th March 2024, my lord. Here, one thing, my lord, when I'm going to submit this representation, when I come to know that they are trying to create bifurcated my villages, my lord. That time what happened, the revenue officer is told me, write that you are present in the court. That thing I have given. But this order, 5324, my lord, they cannot show that I have put a hajira, I appear before them and submit any written statement. Written statement means my representation that was 3rd October 2023, my lord. Now I am coming to this. That's Alice inquiry, my lord. Page number 85, my lord. How the inquiry was made, my lord. My lord. They are writing in Garo, so in translated in English in 86, my lord. Shall I read out, my lord? Yes. 86 page number. Shall I read out, my lord? Inquiry report in writing.
Page?
Page 86, my lord. Shall I read out, my lord? Subject inquiry report in writing. We do respect and by binding the office order dated such and such, we 3 of us today dated 7/11/2023 had done the spot inquiry, my lord. Before that, my lord, when this inquiry is there, they have not served any notice to the general public as well as they have not served any notice to me, my lord. Whether it is a false inquiry or they are writing from the office only, my lord. It is not known to me. I am reading, my lord. Then second paragraph. At the time of inquiry, many people are created a chaotic drama, argument, but we resolved the situation and started the inquiry. Supporter of Borshi Banda Gambura has run away, so therefore we could not take statement of the present Gambura, but we could see that most of the people did not like Abdul Munna because at the time of need he always shows the attitude. It is true that the people of Borshi Banda has run away. Therefore, we had asked the people of Goladegli Part 2 that they want to stay under the Borshi Banda Gambura or not. We had even asked whether they need a new Gambura or not.
Where is the bifurcation document?
No. After that, my lord, bifurcation is coming. After inquiry. So we therefore, sir, we are requesting you to divide or to do the partition and segregation of the said area of Goladegli Part 2, my lord. Here this main question is that, my lord, they have to give me an opportunity, but there is no notification was issued by the district council to the general public as well as to me, my lord, because I am as protected under Article 311(2), my lord. They must give me an opportunity and notice, and they must hurt me, my lord. This is the self-bad inquiry done by the district council. They cannot show even a single paper that they have informed us, they have issued any notification to the general public and to me, my lord.
Yes, that's all.
No, now coming the bifurcation.
Then please continue tomorrow.
Yes, okay, my lord.
Tomorrow is all right?
My lord.
Third in part, list this appeal for further hearing on 1st July. Finished. Huh? Yes.
Item number 8.
Yes.
Yes, please.
I'm appearing for the respondent section.
Who's for the appellant?
As per the last order, that is 23rd 6 2025, the appellant herein had prayed for adjournment on the ground that the appellant will be engaging a new senior counsel in this matter.
Then thereafter we adjourn the matter saying it is last chance. None appears for the appellant today. The respondent is represented. You are representing all the respondents
All the respondents.
by learned counsel. This appeal is adjourned for the day. That's all.
Number 9.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm praying for some accommodation. Lordship, if
Are you
you're
ready for hearing or not?
I'm ready, my lord.
The paper book filed.
My lord, this is a writ petition.
Oh. Affidavits exchange.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Readings are complete.
You are ready to do with the matter.
I'm ready, my lord, but learned double AG is
I'm being led by learned Additional Advocate General, Mr. Shulai. Lordship.
When would he be available?
Lordship, if Lordship kindly have this matter on 23rd or 24th as per the convenience of this Honorable Court.
All right. By consent of learned counsel for the parties, this writ petition is adjourned till When should we keep it?
Either 23rd or 24th, Lordship, if it is convenient to this Honorable Court.
23rd July.
Highly obliged.
One non-matter.